Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 CLS 400 4MATIC. This one is a Designo white. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 329 horsepower and 354 pounds of torque. This one does come with 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Air suspension. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. A diamond style grille. Black MB-Tex interior, sunroof, rear spoiler, open up the tailgate, got a power lift gate, clean set of floor mats. This one does come with the lane keeping assist, which is going to give you a blind spot assist and lane keep assist. Also included is the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a Harman Kardon sound system, black ash wood trim, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, our turn wheel for our infotainment center, sports and comfort suspension. This CLS 400 has 30,457 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLS 400, check out feldmanimports.com.